Today I'm building a full online store in one day, and we're selling a digital product for people who want to become a YouTube influencer. No coding, I'll use AI to generate the website, create a PDF product, and tracking, of course, and launch it live. Are you guys excited? Let's get started. So here's the plan. We're gonna build a website with AI. We're gonna customize it for conversions, of course. We're going to create a YouTube influencer PDF with AI, the actual course we're going to sell, right? We're going to upload it as a digital product on our own website, so we don't share our commissions with anybody. Then we're going to add tracking plus a coupon code. Then we're going to publish the store. You guys ready? Let's go. I'm using Hostinger Website Builder for this because it's made for beginners. It has AI tools, templates, and e-commerce all in one place. And it's pronounced Hostinger, like hosting, not a Wenger. When you sign up, use code BMF for 10% off. Apply at checkout. You're welcome. Okay, step number 1, build the store with AI, our website builder. First, you need to go to Hosting. Choose Website Builder, link in description, check it out. Pick the AI Website Builder, of course, to generate a full website very fast. You can fill the prompt with site name YouTube Influencer Academy. And the description, I'll help beginners grow a YouTube channel, build personal brand, and monetize it with a step-by-step plan. Style modern, clean, create a brand. The AI gets you 80% done, then we polish it so it actually converts. Step 2, make it look like a real creator brand, right? For hero section, headline, we're gonna use become a YouTube influencer, even if you're starting from zero. For subheadline, get the exact 7-day launch plan, plus scripts, plus posting system to grow faster. And for call to action button, get the influencer starter kit, link to the product page, of course. Then add free benefits like bullet block, pick a niche that actually grows, film with a repairable script system, monetize with brand deals plus digital products. I'll use AI Writer for quick copy and AI Image Generator for visuals if needed, of course. Step 3, create a digital product with AI, our YouTube Influencer PDF, of course. Now we need something to sell. Let's create a digital PDF product with AI, the YouTube Influencer Starter Kit. What the PDF includes. So our course will have a 7-day channel launch plan, niche plus content pillars worksheet, 10 viral title formulas, 5 plug-and-play script templates, filming checklists and upload routine, monetization roadmap, right? Affiliate, brand deals, digital product, etc. And this is the AI prompt we're gonna use. Create a 12-page YouTuber influencer starter kit for beginners. Include a niche worksheet, content pillar framework, 10 title formulas, like I said, 5 video script templates, a 7-day launch plan, and a monetization roadmap. Write in a clear, motivating tone with checklists and actionable steps. Our workflow, paste into Google Docs/Canva, make it clean, export as PDF. Easy job. Now don't make this perfect, make it useful, because useful sells. Step number 4, upload it as a digital product. E-commerce setup. Let's add the digital PDF product in the store. Let's go to our store/e-commerce, add product. Choose digital product, upload the PDF, of course. Product name, YouTube Influencer Starter Kit. PDF. Price example, $19, right? We want it cheap, affordable. Everyone can buy it. Add product images, mock-up cover. Product description template. Inside, you will get a 7-day launch plan niche plus content pillar worksheet, 5 proven scripts, title formulas, right? upload routine, instant download after purchase. So far so good. What I like is Hostinger lets you sell digital products and scale up at large catalog without extra transaction fees. You don't have to share your profit with anybody. Step 5. Tracking setup. Magic conversions. You can install GA, GTM, or Metapixel at your preference. So before we publish, let's add tracking so we know what's working and what's not. Hosting a website builds supports marketing integration like Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, and Metapixel. So no problem. Just add your IDs and save. Done. So Analytics is what converts, and Pixels is for retargeting ads later. Let me show you the coupon code feature and how to apply in the cart. First, let's create the code. We can put BMF and we can apply it live, right? Simply go to discount/coupons, create a coupon. The code would be BMF, discount 10%, click save. Let's add the product to cart and test our coupon code. Enter BMF, of course, and as you can see, the price drops. Perfect. Pretty much this is what customers will do. Add to cart, apply the code, and check out, of course. Perfect. Let's preview the website. Looking good. We can publish. Mobile also friendly. Awesome. Very important when you pick a hosting provider. You usually stick with it for years, right? So I prefer something practical and affordable long term. If you want to build the same store setup, my Hostinger link is in the first line of the description. And if you want 10% off, use the code BMF at checkout, like I showed in the card. You're welcome. Now comment your niche and I'll give you free digital product ideas you can sell from your channel.